In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to add hydro zones onto your site plan. Each planting area has to have its own hydro zone. This is the level of water that it will provide it to the plant. For example, this grass area probably has a high hydro zone area. So what we do is we go to hydro zone on this option on the menu, and we trace the area that we would want to have hydro zone in. It doesn't necessarily have to be exact, but it's basically highlighting an area where the irrigation system has to support that sort of watering system. So that's the hydro zone. So I can name it. I can name it grass. And on the hydro zone part, I can put in moderate or high. Usually grass is high. And I can say what kind of a system is a bubbler, drip, or spray. This is probably going to be a spray. So now I have defined a hydro zone. You can define multiples of hydro zones on a given plant. So to define another one, you simply go into water, hydro zone, and let's define this section, for example, as low water. And you could even do on a plant-based scenarios. So this one, we put in low water or whatever you want to name it. And we put in low water and so forth. And we can also change the colors and so forth on all of these as well. Once you define the hydro zones further down, you can use the artificial intelligence to do planting plan for you based on the hydro zones that you have defined.